Hi, students. Welcome to Science. Mrs. Roy and Mrs. Cornelison and I have been working really hard today to create a digital science notebook for you. This video is going to teach you how to create your digital science notebook and how to get started next week with science. You see right here on Thursday, April 9th, here is the video that I'm creating right now. You'll watch that first. Then you'll create your digital notebook. That's what I'm going to teach you how to do today. You're going to click on this link, Digital Science Notebook, Life Cycles. And it's going to come up and say, make a copy. And so you're going to click the button that says make a copy. It might take a minute, so be patient. It does take a little while to upload. Then it will look like this. It'll say copy of the Science Notebook of Life Cycles. Name. You can get rid of this part, just highlight it blue and delete that part, copy of a copy. Then you're going to want to put your name where it says name and type in your full name so we know whose notebook this is. Then you see after you've created the new name, hover over this area and you'll see where it'll say folder. Move it to a folder. So you might want to make sure you put it in a special place because we're going to be using digital science notebooks for the next few weeks on our science topics. I've created a folder in my drive and I called it Digital Science Journal. And so I created a new folder by clicking the plus sign and I called it Digital Science Folder. And then I'm not going to make a new one right now, but then I'll hit the plus sign and then I'll say move it in there. So now my folder, my Digital Science Journal is in a folder called Digital Science Notebooks. Before you do anything else, you need to share right here your journal with your teacher. This is how she's going to grade it and look at your assignments. So type in your teacher's name. It should come up. So make sure you type in your teacher's name. You only need to send it to your science teacher. And then hit send. I'm going to cancel that because I don't need to send that right now. But I do want to show you our science notebook. You can add your name to the cover. There's the cover of the science journal. This is the table of contents. It's all of the pages that are in the science journal and how you can just link right to them. Here is your lesson for next week. It starts on Thursday. You're going to be learning about the life cycle of the butterfly. You're going to go to this folder. It's all the videos and pictures that the teachers have been taking of their painted lady butterflies. I want to especially direct you to Mrs. Roy's time lapse of her butterfly little cages or little vials. And then you're going to watch this video PowerPoint on the children's butterfly site. After that, you're going to do some reflection. What did you think? What did you notice? What are you curious about? What questions do you still have about butterflies? Page 3 is just some additional pictures and a video. And then this is where you will, on page 5, you will add your sketch notes. You can draw, use the drawing tool. You can type in text boxes. You can even upload pictures. Maybe you've captured some pictures of butterflies out in your backyard. I've seen monarchs. I've seen tiger swallowtails. There's lots of butterflies and moths out in your backyard. These are for the following week, so you won't be using those pages today. But I want to show you down at the very bottom, if you want to add pages, lined pages, or sketchnoting pages, or graph paper, you can add pages and then move them where you want to in your science notebook. Be creative. We can't wait to see what you're going to discover and learn in science this week. Have a great day. Bye.